Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to manage comment settings on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to manage comment settings on this application is important for controlling the interactions on your posts and stories. And by managing comment settings, you can choose who can leave comments on your posts, including everyone, friends only, or no one. And this feature allows you to maintain a positive and safe environment on your account by preventing unwanted comments or interaction from strangers or users you don't know well. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat on your device. Well, and then here you can enter to your profile page at the corner. Well, so now please click settings icon here. And then scroll down until you find comment settings option. Okay, tap on it. Okay, so now you will find the three options below and you can select one of them according to your needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to manage comment settings on Snapchat on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.